stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Feel inside, too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Betty's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city, and I ain't worried about it. Come too far.
Mopping up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind.
It's raining really bad. Yo, hey. So, it's really raining so bad. It's Westland and it's flooded. We can barely walk. You know, have to travel there to the hotel. So, I'm trying to figure a way to cross the road. Yeah, I'm trying to figure a way to cross the road because there's no choice here too. Hey, yes, I need a baby. I'm too much.
Like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer. Greater is the one within and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky. Never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher. Fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher. Fly about the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running. Show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army, ready when the truth act up. Nothing can harm you. Yelling from the roof, I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lions den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgetting all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days.
I don't know how we're going to close here.
Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you.
Nairobi drainage. Wow, guys.
And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now.
2,000 years later.
I haven't seen Nairobi this way in such a time, and yeah. So I'll update you guys. Pray for me. I'll update you guys. Niki manage na nikifika home vizuri, because today inakaa nitafika home late at night. Yeah. Acha, let me fight for my life. Because literally this is fighting for your life. Yeah. Happy birthday, Diana. Happy birthday to you.
It's your boy Mike Easy. Yeah. Oh, wow. Hey. I say a prayer when I wake up in the morning. Lord, I need you now. Lord, I need you now. Yeah. When I'm with you, you got me feeling like I'm soaring high above the clouds. High above the clouds. I know you're coming. He's coming back. Time is of the essence. Gotta get it right now. When you try to teach me, oh yeah, I should have learned my lessons, but I'm gonna get it right. You said you'll never leave my side. Got up your word, you'll never lie. And every need you will supply. Yeah. When I'm in trouble, I know you'll hide me. And when I'm lost, I know you got me. I know you got me. And if I wander off, I know you'll find me. You'll find me. But I need you right beside me. Lord, I need you right beside me. Let it burn, let it burn. If the altar's where you meet us, take me there, take me there. If what you need is just an offering, it's right here. My life is here. I'll be a living sacrifice for you. You're the fire, the refiner. I wanna be consumed. I wanna be tried by fire, purified. You take whatever you desire. Yeah. Lord, here's my life. I wanna be tried by fire, yeah, yeah. Purified. Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah. Lord, here's my life. If your glory wants to come in, let it fall. We want it all. Your fire is consuming. Fill this place and set it ablaze. I'll be a living sacrifice for you. You're the fire, the refiner. I wanna be consumed. I wanna be tried by fire, yeah. Purified. Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah. Lord, here's my life. I wanna be tried by fire, yeah, yeah. Purified. Lord, take whatever you desire.
Hi.
say this. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let it burn. Oh, gotta let it burn.
And these songs are big, very big, very big. You remember the marathon that happened?
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you.
Yeah, this is even.
I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to Godly way.